Sample CE technical file for product CE mark certification. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Hello everyone. Welcome to this detailed session on sample CE technical file for product CE mark certification presented by URGS International. So in today's video we will explain what is CE marking, what is a technical file, structure of a CE technical file, mandatory documents required, applicable EU directives and regulations, risk assessment requirements, declaration of conformity, common mistakes to avoid, how URGS supports manufacturers. Let us begin. So, introduction to CE marking. CE marking is a mandatory conformity marking required for products sold within the European Economic Area. It indicates that the product complies with applicable European Union directives and regulations related to safety, health and environmental protection. The CE marking framework is governed by the European Commission and applies to many product categories such as machinery, electrical equipment, medical devices, construction products, pressure equipment, toys, personal protective equipment. CE marking is not a quality mark, it is a legal compliance mark. What is a CE technical file now? A CE technical file is a documented evidence that demonstrates that your product complies with applicable EU directives. It must be prepared before affixing the CE mark and must be kept for at least 10 years after the last product is replaced on the EU market. This file must be available to EU authorities upon request. Now, applicable EU directives. Depending on product type, one or more directives may apply. For example, for machinery Directive 2006/42/EC. For electrical products, Low Voltage Directive 2014/35/EU. For electromagnetic compatibility, EMC Directive 2014/30/EU. For Radio Equipment Directive 2014/53/EU. Identifying correct directives is the first and most important step. Now, structure of a sample CE technical file. Now let us go through the structure of a sample CE technical file. First, general product description, product name, model number, product category, intended use, variants. Then, design and manufacturing information like engineering drawings, circuit diagrams, bill of materials, manufacturing process flow. After that, risk assessment. Risk analysis must identify hazards such as mechanical risks, electrical risks, thermal hazards, noise, radiation. Risk evaluation should follow harmonized standards. Then, applicable harmonized standards. Example, EN ISO 12100 for risk assessment, EN 60204-1 for machinery electrical safety, EN 61000 series for EMC. Then test reports, electrical safety test report, EMC test report, mechanical strength testing, IP testing. Testing must be conducted by accredited laboratories where required. Then sixth is user manual. It must include installation instructions, safe use instructions, warning labels, maintenance details, EU language translations. Then seventh is labeling and marking details. So CE mark format, manufacturer address, serial number, year of manufacture. Then eighth is EU Declaration of Conformity. So what is this? The Declaration of Conformity must contain manufacturer name and address, product identification, applied directives, applied standards, authorized signatory, date and place of issue. It is a legally binding document. Then notified body requirement. What is this? Some products require third party involvement. A notified body is an organization designated by an EU member state to assess conformity. High-risk products such as shuttle machinery, medical devices, and pressure equipment may require notified body certification. Now, what are the common mistakes in technical file preparation? See, many manufacturers make the following errors. What are those? Incorrect directives selection, missing risk assessment, incomplete test reports, outdated harmonized standards, improper CE marking size, no EU authorized representative. These mistakes can lead to market withdrawal or penalties. Then technical file retention. The manufacturer or EU authorized representative must retain the technical file for 10 years. Authorities may request it at any time. Failure to provide documentation can result in product recall. Now, how URG's International Engineering Services Private Limited can help? What URGS provides? C. Directive identification, technical file preparation, risk assessment documentation, testing coordination, declaration of conformity drafting, authorized representative support. With expert regulatory knowledge, URGS International ensures smooth CE certification for manufacturers exporting to Europe. Now at last, our contact information. So for professional support in CE mark certification and technical file preparation, please contact us, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Mobile number is +91 7359458455. Our experts are ready to guide you through complete CE compliance requirements. At last, CE marking is a mandatory legal requirement for entering the European market. Preparing a proper technical file is not optional, it's essential. If you are a manufacturer planning to export to Europe, ensure your documentation is complete, compliant, and professionally prepared. Thank you for watching the session. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more regulatory compliance guidance. Have a great day. Thank you.